Hey everyone, I thought I'd make a quick tutorial today showing just how easy it is to perform a swap, a Zcash swap using a decentralized exchange. So I'm going to head to Atomic DEX, and so today I'm looking to sell 1 ZEC, and I'm hoping to purchase USDC. And just to note, on this platform, a wide variety of different token types, so PLG20, BEP20, ERC20, and even Avalanche chains are supported. But for today, we're going to select USDC on Matic. So we're presented with the order book here, and it's showing us if I was looking to sell 1 ZEC compared to a centralized exchange, it would be about 2.4% more expensive. I'd still proceed because that's fair enough, and it's giving us the option to either connect a hardware wallet or we could use an existing Komodo wallet, but we can create a new one and we'll call it test. Okay, so we've got our password set, and it's prompting us to back up our seed phrase. So I'll do that now. Right, so I've just backed up the seed phrase, and I should now be able to deposit ZEC into my new Komodo wallet. And we can see here that it's a transparent address, so a T address, which we're being presented with on this platform. So Atomic DEX doesn't yet support unified addresses or shielded addresses. I'd hope that's something they could look into fairly soon. So I'm just going to send a transaction from my shielded balance into this Komodo wallet. So I'm going to scan the QR code. Right, so I've just completed my de-shielding transaction. And we'll wait for that to go through. And it's already showing up on in my wallet. So Zcash is super quick. I think block times are just about 75 seconds. So very, very quick. Right, so we've received ZEC, and so we're going to head to the DEX, and we're going to hit swap now. In fact, so I would need to select this this buy order. Right, so it does need to deduct fees as well. And we're given another prompt that a Matic balance is required for this swap to be completed. This is a characteristic of atomic swaps. It's because both chains need to perform transactions. So I'm going to deposit into my Matic wallet on Komodo. Okay, so I've just sent 1 Matic from my MetaMask to Komodo wallet. Okay, so we have 1 Matic now, it's just about 90 cents. We can head to the DEX and it should now work. So we're going to hit swap now. We're going to confirm the order details. Total fees are negligible. Hit confirm. And the swap is now in progress. So whilst this is completing, I think I'll just go through a few reasons why you might prefer to use a decentralized exchange over a centralized exchange such as Coinbase. And really the primary reason is because there are no intermediaries when I'm performing this swap. So I'm not going to any sort of centralized authority to perform this swap. The second reason is because I'm maintaining custody of my funds at all times. And so at the beginning you saw it was prompting me to store my, to back up my seed phrase, and no one else holds those keys. And so this is a much safer way to approach performing exchanges or swaps or trades. This is a much safer way to do that than trusting your keys or trusting your funds with an exchange. The third reason is because it's non-KYC. So I didn't have to provide any sensitive information or personal documentation to any third party or exchange, sort of trust them with my personal data. And again, this is a safer way to approach performing exchanges. Okay, so it looks like our swap completed. It took 2 minutes and 55 seconds to swap 1 ZEC to 22.79 USDC. So we'll head to our wallet, and we can see here it shows we have 22.79 USDC. So I'm now free to withdraw this from Komodo wallet either to MetaMask or into some DeFi service. And yeah, all this took place without any intermediaries, without any personal data being handed over to third parties, and it took 2 minutes and 55 seconds. So I hope this tutorial has been helpful for you. If you think content like this is useful, please subscribe to our YouTube channel. That's youtube.com/@ZechHub. And I'll see you guys in the next one.